All right, what's up, everybody? It's day 24. I can't believe that it is already almost, I'm 1/3 the way through this 75 hard challenge, but it's like 5 degrees outside in Dallas, Texas. I know, weird. Just got some snow, some ice, and, well, got to do my outdoor workout. So, got my heated vest going right here. Up next is my heated socks. Man, I feel like such a wimp, but here we go. We're gonna do this 75 hard. All right, I'm about halfway through. It's pretty freaking cold out here. It definitely doesn't feel like Texas. It's crazy, but got my heated socks, my heated vest, all that good stuff. So I'm feeling pretty good. Just my face a little bit cold, but anyway, that's in the books. See you tomorrow.